What's up, Corporate Misfits? Welcome to episode 42 of the Corporate Misfit podcast. I'm your host, Brittany Darrington, founder of the Corporate Misfit Club and business strategist for women entrepreneurs who are looking to start, launch, and grow their business. Today, we're talking all about marketing. Maybe your marketing has been sucking for the last couple of months and you want to see a major shift. Maybe you haven't seen the results that you've been wanting, or maybe your last ad tanked. I'm sharing all about how you can turn your marketing around and start seeing those results that you want within your business. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in.
You're listening to the Corporate Misfit podcast with Brittany Darrington, where female entrepreneurs can get powerful tips and advice on how to start, launch, and grow their business.
Marketing is a big chunk of your business, and it's extremely important that you have an effective strategy in order to help you succeed when it comes to marketing. Without marketing, you won't have sales. Marketing helps you to create visibility, connect with your ideal tribe, and also share your message with who it is that you are trying to connect with. Whether you sell a product or service, if you don't have a marketing strategy that's working, most likely you are not seeing sales within your business. So I want to talk about why your marketing might suck and how you can make a shift and change so that you can begin to see the fruits of your labor. So the first thing that you want to do in order to help you get your marketing on track is to do a marketing audit. I want you to go through all of your current marketing campaigns, whatever that may be. So for myself, I like to pull up my leads that I am using in order to help me collect emails. I am also pulling up all of my email campaigns where I'm checking out my newsletters and what I'm sending out. I pull up all my social media so I can see what content, what images, what strategies am I using in order to help me get visibility and ultimately get people to my site, my product, my service. And I also go through like webinars and my podcasts and things along those lines. This will truly help me to see how am I doing, what am I sharing, how well is it performing, and what changes do I need to make. So during this process, you need to be truthful with yourself. Ask yourself, are you giving it everything you have? Do you need to 10x what you're doing? Do you need to put yourself more out there? Do you need to create more videos or social media posts? Do you need to do webinars more or whatever it may be? Ask yourself if what you're doing is the best that you can do. If the answer is no, that you believe that you could do more, that you can improve, or you can get more resources or help from someone else to help you get there, then I want you to just jot that down so that you know how to come back to that and improve. So doing a marketing audit is the first thing that I recommend you do before you try getting on another platform, before you start trying to implement new strategies. See what has been working and what has not, and ask yourself if you could do better. The second thing I want you to do is identify which platforms your ideal clients are on. Now, if you are showing up on a platform where your clients are not really hanging out, then you need to identify where would be the best use of your time. So if you are on LinkedIn and none of your clients are on LinkedIn, then maybe you need to remove yourself from that. Or if you are noticing that you're doing webinars, but the people you're looking to serve need in-person meetups, then maybe you need to reevaluate how you're going about this so that you can create a marketing strategy that will allow you to show up in the right platforms or in the right places for the people you're looking to focus on. Now, once you have identified what that is, I want you to pick that top platform, whether it be in person or webinars, podcasts, or social media. I want you to pick that top platform, and I want you to identify how can you use this platform to get the most out of what it is that you're doing. How can you showcase your products, your services, and what can this platform help you to do? Now, after that, I want you to show up every day for your ideal audience. Whatever that touch may be, you need to show up for your clients each and every day. It could be a 1-minute video on social media. It could be just a check-in with some of your clients, just checking in on you, want to make sure you're good. How can I serve you? This allows you to build authentic relationships and also to be seen as the expert in what it is that you're doing, whether it be an e-commerce or a product or a service-based company. This helps you present yourself differently than some of the other companies that are out there that don't necessarily build personal relationships. So figure out a way for you to connect and ultimately show up for your audience each and every day in some way. Are you looking to take your business to the next level or grow as an entrepreneur? I feel you, and I have a solution for you. After 12 years as an entrepreneur, there's one thing that has helped me receive massive business success, and that is masterminds. I have attended masterminds that have ran from $15,000 to $25,000 a year. But I decided to create one that is exclusively for women entrepreneurs and one that every woman can afford. For just $7, you can be a part of a high-level mastermind that helps you reach new heights in your business. Whether you're looking to start a business, start a podcast, overcome money blocks, improve your mindset, or authentically grow your social media, this is a place for you to come and get the support, guidance, and ultimately reach new heights. Misfit Masterminds has all the resources capable of helping you achieve any of your goals. Why wait for your dreams to fall into your lap when you can start by joining our Misfit Mastermind for just $7? All the details are in the show notes, and we hope to see you inside. Now, let's talk about ads and ad spends. So this is also very common in regards to Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. What usually happens is that a lot of people aren't willing to spend the correct amount to be able to yield the results that they're seeking. So if you are doing a Facebook ad and you're spending $2 a day, do you really think that you're going to be able to compete with someone who is spending $1,000 a day? So here's what I want you to do. And it's okay, and I understand if you don't necessarily have the budget, but I want you to really think, how can I be able to show up for my customers and at least spend like $5 to $10 a day if I'm going to use ads? And then how can I use all the money that I might receive from the ads, from all of the revenue that might be generated, and put it back into my ads? What usually happens is people spend $2 to $3 for like 1 or 2 days and they expect to see major results. If you are expecting to see these massive results with $1 to $2 and you only did it for 2 to 3 days, I want you to know that you should probably stop doing any, paid advertisement, wait and save up your dollars and try to do things organically until you are able to build up some revenue that you can put into marketing. You will never see results by doing things very short term on a very small budget. So I would recommend that you save your dollars, put them aside, and come back to it when you are able to actually put a little bit of more money into your paid ads. So just know that if you're in that situation, stop it right now and come back to it. So how can you get more results from your ads? Well, most companies that are successful when it comes to ads and digital advertisements and whatnot, they are able to run multiple ads at a time. They're able to see within 72 hours to a week of how well that ad is doing, what results are coming from it, and then they kill the ones that are not doing well. I know I'm speaking straight marketing terms right now, but you want to be able to do some A/B testing when it comes to your ads. So I might have 2 ads up. My ads might have maybe 2 different images or 2 different versions of copy, and I'm going to see which ad is actually converting. Whichever ad is converting well, then I'm going to move forward with that one, and I'm going to eliminate the other one that is not performing as well. Now, once you start to do a lot of A/B testing, you'll start to notice maybe you want to test some more stuff out. So keep testing things out. And then once you start to notice that something's not working in regards to one of your paid ads, then I recommend you put that one on pause or reevaluate it and make some edits and changes. So then you can keep running the things that are working and ultimately continue to yield results. So when it comes to ads, if you're not willing to be able to run a couple of different versions, or if you're unable to really spend, I recommend that you go the organic route by showing up in Facebook groups and being of value and helping and DMing people there, or, collaborations and finding ways to grow your tribe. And then eventually, as you get more sales through your products or services or through your e-commerce or whatever that may be, then apply that and use that into your marketing budget. All right. So now what you want to do too is look at your analytics. So while you are looking at your marketing and you're seeing what works, what doesn't work, you need to pay attention to your analytics. It's going to tell you what people like, and it's also going to show you what people don't like. So reevaluate what emails were opened and what emails weren't open. Maybe you need to change the title. What emails did not have click-throughs? Maybe you need to adjust your clicks, or maybe put an image to help people actually click on what you want them to click on. So really reevaluate that so that you are not just putting all this effort into marketing, but not really sure of what the results are. So if you're not paying attention to your analytics, whether that be for email marketing, social media, ads, whatever, then there is a big disconnect, because you need to know what's working and what's not working. And then when you find what works, you are going to continue that process until it stops working or until you notice you need to make a tweak or a change. The last thing I want you to do is I want you to 10x your effort. What usually happens is we're so terrified sometimes as women to put ourselves out there. We're terrified to share about our product or service. We're afraid of, if we keep emailing somebody, that they're ultimately going to be frustrated with us or not want to be on our email list. I will tell you, if you're not annoying the heck out of somebody from time to time, then you might not be doing your job as a marketer. In business and in entrepreneurship, you need to be extremely great at marketing and sales, because it is your bloodline of your business. So I recommend that you 10x whatever it is that you're doing. So if you've been posting once a week on social media and you are capable and able to post more, I recommend that maybe you post 3 times a week versus once a week. If you are able to, add more to your podcast or add more to your blog, I recommend that you do. If you are capable of sending more emails out or sharing more about your products and services, or maybe doing a Facebook Live, Instagram Live, I recommend you do. Find ways to 10x your efforts so that you can yield the results that you want. You will never get to where you want to go by playing it small, by not paying attention to your analytics, or by just overlooking your marketing and hoping that something sticks and works. So it's very important that you take that time so that you can identify what works and then 10x your efforts. All right, so let's quickly recap on how you're going to move from sucky marketing to actually seeing results and actually being able to run campaigns that are effective and help you to generate revenue. You're going to first review your marketing audit. You're going to go through all of your marketing campaigns, whether that be a lead generation, an email, social media, whatever it may be. Then you're going to identify which platforms are your clients on. Are they big about email? Do they like in-person events? Do they like social media? What is it? Where are they? And then you're going to identify your top platform that you are going to focus on and that you are going to show up on each and every day in some way. And if you are going to run ads, you are going to invest some A/B testing and see what works and kill the things that don't work. And if you aren't unable to spend on ads, or if you aren't able to really do some trial and error, then you are going to get involved in some organic, ways of growing your business through participating in collaborations or getting in Facebook groups and providing value and so much more. And you're also going to make sure that you're looking at your analytics daily. You want to see what's working, what's not working, and you want to keep 10xing what works. You want to 10x all your efforts that are working. So if you notice a certain type of email does really well and you have a high open rate, you want to keep doing that type of email until it stops working or until you need to make a tweak. All right, corporate misfits. Well, I hope you enjoyed this strategy session today, and I hope that it helps you to improve your marketing and take some time to just reevaluate what you're doing, see what works, and eliminate the things that don't. I cannot wait to see you on our upcoming Friday feature, where we are talking with women entrepreneurs who share how they left their 9-to-5 to start their own business doing what they love.
If you've enjoyed today's episode of the Corporate Misfit Podcast, we invite you to check out the Corporate Misfit Club. The Corporate Misfit Club is the essential resource for female entrepreneurs who are looking to start or grow a business they actually love. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur in your startup phase or simply thinking about taking the leap into entrepreneurship, we've got your back, girl. With our extensive course library, monthly training, exclusive members-only discount perks, and unlimited tools. We also have a supportive community of women where our members share stories, experiences, their wins, and business tips. The Corporate Misfit Club is the perfect place to be to start, launch, or grow a business. So check it out at corporatemisfitclub.com.